Okay, good evening. All right, so let's talk about sanitationlifefoundation.org. Okay, so with website we have .com, that's .commercial, we have .net, that's .network, and then we have .org. .org is used by entities like churches, the NGOs, and because Sanitation Life is an NGO, that's the reason why we went for what .org. It's not profit making what entity. Okay, all right. So how do you get a customized website? When we say a customized website, it means that you've bought domain, hosting, and SSL certificate. Domain. So the domain is the name of your website, like sanitationlifefoundation.org. So the hosting is what will make your website live to be visible like this. So just like a land and what your office. Your office is the domain. For your office to be visible, okay, you have to what have it on a land. Okay, so here the land is your hosting, and then we have the SSL certificate, the security aspect of your certificate. The same way, the same way you can protect your office. Do you understand this? Okay, so how do you develop a website? You have many places you can buy your hosting, your domain, and your SSL certificate, but with this one we bought it from namecheap.com. So you visit namecheap.com and then you buy your domain and hosting as an SSL certificate. After buying and integrating your website, what you do is to visit the back end. We call it the dashboard. So website has two interface, the front and then the back. The back is where you do all the changes. If you want to post stories and stuff, that's where you do all the posting and so on. And then we have the front page. So the front page is where you see whatever is done at the back end of your website. Yeah, so this is the front page. These things are visible because of what has been done here. So how do you visit your front page or the back page? So you do so by visiting sanitationlifefoundation.org/WP. Anytime you see WP, it means WordPress. So WP -admin. So sanitation life. Okay, so when you visit that domain, you come towards login details. So we have the username and what password. So with this one, the username is admin, and then the password is sanitation life at 2022. After providing this information, then you click on login. Yeah, so we've now accessed the back end. So how do you post? You post by clicking on post. So when you click on posts, you see add new, post, add new. If you click on all posts, you have access to all the posts you have on your website. So these are the posts on your website right now. If you want to add new posts, so again you click on what, posts, add new, then you type your story, the title of your story here, this section here, and then you type your entire story here, the entire story here. Okay, all right, so you talk about the rest later. Now let's assume we already have a story, so let's use this one. Yeah, the same way you can type your story in WordPress notepad, and then you just copy and what, paste it like this. Okay, all right, now let's assume this is a title. All right, so you can type your title here. So how do you add images to be part of your article? So if you want an image to be here, you just click here and you click on add new media. If you have the image on your laptop, you click on upload files, then you click on select files, then you select the image you want to upload. So let me use this image. After that you click on insert photo. Look at the mouse, insert photo. Nicely done, right? If you want to add another image here, you click here, you select the place, you click on add new media, then you add the image. Nicely done, right? Now you are not done. You are done publishing the story, or not posting a story on your website, but you have to link your story for search engines to what find them. So how do you do that? You click on what edit snippets. When you click on edit snippets, you have title, permalink, and description. You can just paste the title here once, and then permalink to once, and then description twice, like this. After that, you close it. You are not done. We have 3 things you have to do. So this is the menu side, this is the working space, this is where you can do other changes. So we have the categories. So with the categories, you can select the type of story you are writing. Is it political, educational, and so on. And this one is a sanitation story, so you select what sanitation story. After that, we are not done. So when you visit this website, you can see image here, and these images are called featured image. When you click on the story like this, the featured image pops up first, okay, before the story itself. Okay, all right. So you click on what, always search for featured image. It can be anywhere, it can even be below these sections. Okay, so you click on set featured image. If you want to upload it from your laptop, same process, select file, and then you choose. After that, you click on set featured image, but you have to wait for it to load. So click on set featured image. All right, after that, you click on publish like this. You wait for it to publish. All right, so now the story is what published here. So post published, we can click to view your story. So this is the story visible on the website. Okay, all right, so that's how to post. So again,